Welcome to Fahey Aerial Services online order tool. Today we will show you how to map an area and submit an order for aerial application. First, we need to click on the Order Application button in the top menu. Enter the street address closest to the treatment area. Hold down the left mouse button to move the map. Use the plus and minus on the bottom right to zoom in and out. Today for our example, we're going to be mapping richlands here. When you are ready to add an area to the map, click the polygon tool at the top of the map. Click around the border of the area you want to treat. You can use the left mouse to click and hold if you want to move the map. Make sure the last point joins the first so that a polygon is created. In the area notes, provide us with any useful information. With this map, there is a large uncropped area in the south. We are going to use the tool again to outline this area and select Exclusion Area 1. Exclusion Rate 1. This will subtract it from the total in the final screen. If there are areas that we want to avoid, then we can outline them here to show the pilot we do not want them treated. Please put details in the notes. For example, in this area, it's uncropped, contains a house, and permission from the owner has been granted. This farm has an airstrip in the middle, so we are going to mark that now. Use the same tool to mark the airstrip and select Proposed Airstrip from the drop-down menu. You still need to connect back to the first dot. Please include details like the airstrip length and accessibility to water. In the map overlay bar on the right hand side, you can add a power line overlay to the map. The overlay covers most small power lines but does not include large high tension lines. We need to mark them on the map using the tool again. You can move points on the map by clicking them with the left mouse button and dragging them to where you want them. If you want to delete a point, you can click this back arrow just next to the point you've just moved. Once you are satisfied that the treatment area and the hazards are correctly marked, check the box down the bottom, confirm and continue. Take your time to check this list as it covers our responsibilities as client and contractor. If you have been asked to make a note, please add them at the bottom of the page. Click Continue. Here in the job overview, we add details about the application. Application rate 1 was wheat. The pest is leaf rust. and the label recommends 30 litres per hectare of water. If you're going to be supplying the water, have a look over in the total water volume now, and it'll show you how much water you need to supply. In this case, it's 22,000 litres. Next, we add a product. We're going to be treating the leaf rust with Prosaro. The label asks for 150 to 300 mils. We're going to go the higher rate. The label also says we can add a wetter. We're going to use BS1000. BS1000 goes on at 0.25% per litre. Got 30 litres, so that works out as 75 mil per hectare. We'll just check that all those details are correct. Now we enter the trading details here, and if your product is getting delivered directly to us, enter the product supplier's details here. If you've got a preferred airstrip, you can enter it here. Please give us a call if you require us to organise an airstrip. If it's your first time making a booking, make sure you read our terms of service, just down the bottom here. Once everything's complete, submit the job inquiry. That will send one email to you and one email to us, containing all the details in this application. We will contact you via phone or text message to confirm the job before we go and make an application.